Spring is here, and if you haven't gotten that spring cleaning done yet, it's overdue. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner, and one of the chores that sometimes gets overlooked is cleaning your window screens. Stay tuned and I'll share an easy way to get the job done right after this.
Exmark mowers are crafted to work day in and day out, season after season. From zero turns to stand-ons, walk-behinds, and push mowers, Exmark's legendary lineup of mowers were built for durability, reliability, and comfort to get you on and off the lawn in less time, so you can get back to the things that matter most. And because it's an Exmark, you always get that legendary cut quality that landscape professionals count on. It's no wonder why Exmark is the official mower of the backyard life. Visit exmark.com today to find your local dealer.
Window screens seem to be a magnet for dust, dirt, and cobwebs, but because they are somewhat fragile, cleaning them can be a pain. The best way to do the job is to submerge them in soapy water. But how? Well, a child's pool is perfect for smaller screens, but for larger ones, you can build your own little pool. Nail 4 2x4s together, each about 6 feet long, on a flat, level surface to create a square. Over the square, you'll drape a piece of plastic that overlaps each edge by about a foot. Add some water and detergent and you have a window screen bathtub. Let the screen soak for a little while before you scrub them with a soft bristled brush or a broom. Follow that with a good rinse and your screens are ready to go. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.